Recently, me and a few friends travelled to France and headed to Parc Astérix. In last week's video, we stayed at
Les Quais de Toutatis.
That was stunning. Go check that video out if you haven't yet. And for this week's vlog, we are riding Toutatis on opening day. Yeah, this was a good day. Good morning. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. It's exciting. We are on our way. So we have queued up at the entrance, the hotel entrance this morning. That was completely easy, quick security check, waited about 10-15 minutes, and then they've let us into the park, and I think we're going to go as far as we can until they inevitably stop us. The ride is not opening for, I think, another 30 minutes or so. So, looking like it's going to be a busy one, as expected. I think the park is sold out, brand new ride opening, but it's exciting, there's a buzz, everyone's walking, not seen any running yet. Not far we're going to go, but I'm excited. I'm not taking any notice of this park so far. It's the first time I've ever walked in here. It looks nice, but we're only going to one place. Okay, so it's looking like this is as far as we can go for now. The time is 9:37, so we've got 20 odd minutes until the ride opens. Alright, so we are on the move. They have let us go. There was a lot of sprinting going on, so there was me saying no one was running. It was just because you went to another stop point. But we're walking now on our way to the ride. I don't know whether there's going to be another stop point. I don't know what I'm doing really, but we're moving, getting that little bit closer to the ride. We've got our first sighting. Actually just saw it going over the hill, but being the excellent and ready vlogger that I was, I completely missed it. But there it is, first sighting. Feels like we're getting closer. Okay, we are getting really close now, it feels. Heading our way round. Look at this. It all feels very quiet at the minute. I don't think they've let in the main entrance yet, but we're here. We're heading to the entrance now.
Cher de votre courage, rude épreuve. Attention cependant à tous vos effets.
Alright, we're in the queue. This is very exciting. There's the coaster train. Beautifully themed around here. Love the entrance. And yeah, we're walking through. Like I said, I think they haven't let the main entrance in yet, so we've effectively got hotel access at the minute, which is amazing. So, here we go. Oh yes, this is exciting. Anyway, I don't know if we're going to be queuing anything, so best get my GoPro on. Okay, so we are now in the station. The station looks great. You can see like some lighting effects going off. We're actually going to queue for the first row just because we have walked all the way into the stations. I'll see ya when we get on the ride. So got to the air gates and my GoPro broke. So here's a POV from the next day when I managed to get my camera working. And by the way, as you're about to tell by this footage, I am by no means a professional POV taker.
You're not that guy, pal, trust me.
There are lots of great channels out there if you want to get some better footage, but enjoy this anyway. Here we go. Here we go. at this. Oh my God. Oh my, that's good. So just come off my first ride there on
Toutatis.
and it's a lot of fun. That's the word I'm going to use for this. Just a crazy fun layout, a lot like Pantheon at Busch Gardens. The way you roll out of the station like that, there's a load of hang time, air time, the launches are fun, you know, it whips around the corner at the top of the top hat and the rollback. As I've said in every vlog I think I do, I don't like going backwards, but it's absolutely fine, especially as we were front row there. It was very cool reaching the top and just rolling back and hitting those launches, and because the launches are obviously on those like bumps, you know, I've come out your seat. Have I come off of this saying it's my number one, this is the best coaster I've ever been on? No, it's still outstanding. It's a lot of fun. Not every coaster has to be that record beating, everything has to be number one. That, I just smiled the whole way around, laughing the whole way around. There's a load of air time. There's a definite fear of coming out your seat. I absolutely love the station, like the theming around the station and the lights going off. It looks absolutely brilliant in there. It's like this green lighting effect. It looks beautiful. There's a great atmosphere in the park and in the station. Big cheers when it goes off. I know it's a bit chaos out there now. We had a stroke of luck, I think, going through that hotel entrance, because we walked straight into the station and we waited like less than 20 minutes for that front row ride. So I think we're going to go around now and have a look. But I'm very excited to get back on it. Like, that's a lot of fun. There's just so much going on. There's so many different elements to it. I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to get back on. So I walked into the shop now. Let's check out some of the merch. So we got this, 18 euros. Got some pillows or cushions, whatever you call them, which are very cool. You know I love a cushion. Love my stealth cushion. 15 euros. It's not too bad, I suppose. Theme park mugs. Over here, if that's your thing. Themed lollipops here. That's cool. That's 6 euros. Some chocolates. And over here we've got some clothing. Got a t-shirt. There. Some notepads, some lanyards and a hoodie. Hoodie is 50 euros. Got a cap here as well. And a t-shirt is 25 euros, so half the price of the hoodie. They got a snow globe. Love that. We've got some glasses as well. All the things that you would expect in a theme park merchandise shop. They've got a lot in here. We've got a t-shirt as well. This one's got the stats of the ride on. That's 22 euros, a little bit cheaper than the other t-shirt. Some more mugs, some magnets, which has also got the stats on it. Some more bits here. They got a lot of stuff here for this ride, which is cool. If you collect pint glasses, you got that. And a backpack. Look at this. You can get a sword and shield. Yes, love that. Also for this ride you can buy a fast pass, or their version of it, Philotomatics I believe that's called, and they've also got single rider. Doesn't look open at the minute. I think it might be closed, it might be at capacity because there was definitely people in it earlier, but I do like a ride that's got single rider. So I thought now the madness of this morning is out of the way, let's have a little look around the area that surrounds, because I think all of this is brand new. So we'll take a look around. It all looks fantastic. So over here it looks like you've got some kind of kids play area, and then a restaurant which we've actually eaten in. It's got all your usual theme park food, burgers, nuggets. It's got some vegetarian options, chips, all of those things. It's quite expensive, the food here, €18, so not cheap. The food was okay. It's kind of theme park food, but it is an option here in this new area. And then you just take your order here at one of these self-service machines, and then you head over here to collect. And it's nice because there's loads of seating area. You've got some stuff that's a little bit more shaded, and then you've got some more seated in the sun areas for like those summer days if you want to sit in the sun. And then you are surrounded by coasters and rides. It's pretty awesome. Can we please talk about these theme lights, because that is very cool. Always got to appreciate a bit of theme lighting, and they've got lots of it here. It won't be open late enough tonight to see this at night, because the park closes at 7 and I don't think it's dark then anyway. But it'd be cool to see if all this is lit up and how it looks at night. But it looks like it would be really beautiful. And then over here you've got another new addition. Look at that. That looks awesome with a coaster in the background. These always look incredible off-ride, don't they? They're a bit of a pain to get on and off, but my goodness, what a photogenic ride that is. I think this is such an awesome kind of centerpiece here. They have characters out meeting and greeting and doing some photos and stuff, but that looks amazing. That would be so cool if that gets lit up at night. I think this is such a great entrance to the coaster. It's a nice bit of theming, really sets the tone. It's certainly very impressive from the entranceway, that's for sure. So it looks like we've got some themed, well I say themed, snacks. We've got something with the festival logo on it, which is quite cool. Also got this down here. Interesting. An attempt was made, that's what's important. So we're now back in the queue. The queue is sitting at around 55 minutes, which I don't think is too bad at all. In fact, I don't think I've seen it over 2 hours today, which for an opening day on a weekend, I think that's pretty good going. They seem to have got the trains constantly going. So yeah, we're going to wait in this, been in it for about 20 minutes so far. Just keeps moving, trains keep coming out, it's been really good. So yeah, let's see what it's like in the afternoon, see if it rides any different. Oh my God!
Bienvenue sur Toutatis. Nous vous rappelons que cette attraction n'est pas accessible aux personnes mesurant à 1m30. Pour votre sécurité.
Okay, so just had a second ride there on
Toutatis.
And I've got to say, in the afternoon, that rode a lot better for me. It didn't ride badly on the first ride this morning, but that thing definitely feels like it's motoring a little bit more now. Felt a lot more intense, especially after the top hat section, kind of whipping in and out of those elements. And this first element here, it's just crazy. Like, it's just throws you to the side, like aggressively, for what feels like no reason. It's a great coaster. It's just got a bit of everything in it. You go launches, top hats, some crazy angle turns, backwards, air time, hang time. It's just so much fun. It's a brilliant coaster, well worth visiting. I would love to come back here. So yeah, that is going to do it for today's vlog. Tomorrow we're coming here again. We're going to do the rest of the park. We've actually bought some fast passes just because I think it's a sold out day and it's going to be our first time riding these coasters and other rides here. So yeah, there'll be another vlog from the full day at Parc Astérix. Looking forward to checking it out. It's looked like a great park from what we've seen so far, so excited to see that. But that's going to do it for this one. Great coaster, really glad we came here. But if you've taken the time out of your day to watch this video, thank you so much. If you don't subscribe and you'd like to subscribe, that would mean the world to me. Comments, shares, likes, all those things. Thank you so much. But yeah, that's going to do it.